I've been dropped at the wrong place actually. So this guy is helping me. We go in his bike. It's 1.7 kilometer more for us. Very systematic. The train station also looks like an airport. You have to undergo screening, security check basically. Need to scan your passport or your ID card if you're the citizen here. No one has come yet. I don't know if someone will come or no. I'm okay both ways, yeah. And they've got CCTV everywhere in the train. So there's no chance of any theft.
那是不是应该推出个站票？
不是，它应该是，如果是我们买一等座的票，应该给我们一个一等座才对呀。是。
Sorry. Good afternoon, my lovely people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are in the city of Guangzhou in China. Today we are leaving the city and we are heading to the capital, which is Beijing. We'll be taking a train from Guangzhou railway station. It's a really long journey, a 22-hour journey. Actually, I was out here to take some food for myself for my train journey. I'm sure we won't get any vegetarian or vegan meal in train. So I was just looking for some vegetarian food. I've just checked out of the hotel as well. We're just booking a cab now and then we head to the railway station.
那个手机油号是1525哈。对，然后客人自己给钱，自己收钱哦。
好好。
All right, thank you.
OK，拜拜。
That's it. My God. Yo, we've arrived at Guangzhou East Railway Station, where we were 2 days back. That's where I'd come. So we are catching the train from the same station. 你好。
222每这个4到东莞站1个人啊，全车一险3元，一共是40.40。来这边。好，订单。
Is there a preference to get window seat? Window? It's okay. Alright. Bullet train tickets, flight tickets, hotels. I'm really excited for this train journey because it'll be the first time ever I'll be traveling in a Chinese train. It's not a bullet train. Oh, okay. Turn around. I thought they do it only for men, like that. Wow. Let me tell you, the station is pretty large. I mean, it's so huge here and it's clean as well. The lady comes in after every few minutes to clean the floor. I'm just waiting near the gate. Once it starts boarding, I'll also board the train. And the station also seems like an airport. I mean, you go through security check here as well. There's a screening done, and you need to scan your passport, or if you're a citizen, you need to scan the ID card which you have with you. Yeah, it's a pretty simple, easy to understand process. There are indicators everywhere, so you will not get lost. However, few things are written only in Chinese and not English. So you have to go, like you just have to assume, or you can ask someone. Bye bye. We'll go to gate number 3, which is that side. Bye. It's done. The train has arrived. And how stupid of me that I was waiting at the queue, in the queue to get the paper tickets. I just got to know when I opened the app, because I downloaded the app only today in the morning. Pretty excited for this journey. It's a 22-hour train journey to Beijing, and we'll be stopping. There are 4 stops basically. Let me just get inside and then I'll show you. And we'll be covering a distance of approximately 2,000 kilometers. Oh, this one. I'm the first one to arrive. Whoa. Mine is the upper berth. This one would be mine. So we get everything, yeah? Pillow, blankets. And let me just settle down quickly first. Ni hao. No Chinese. Train departs at 15:40. It's 15:30 at the moment. This is the lavatory here. That's me. Safety equipment. You can also take drinking water from here. This is the compartment to store your luggage. And dressing area. This is another compartment. Really nice. Oh, the doors have shut. We'll start in a while now. No one has come yet. I don't know if someone will come or no. I'm okay both ways, yeah. We got everything. I mean, they give us pillow, blankets, coat hanger to hang your coat. We've got socket, Wi-Fi here. This is to control illumination control, air vent control, okay, for air conditioning. This is to control the volume of the speaker, of the lady talking. And yeah, we've got slippers also here. And train has started. It's a 22 hours journey to Beijing. I'm very excited about this. It'll be my first time here experiencing the train journey in China. And we'll be covering a distance of approximately 2,200 kilometers. Yeah, in the span of 22 hours. And I was just going through the route that we'll be taking, and we'll be stopping over at these many places. Only 4 stops for us. Tomorrow we'll reach Beijing at 3:44 in the afternoon, if we are on time. And I think Chinese are always on time. This? Okay, give me this. We'll have fruits. This is the chair car. Go sitting, and there's a pantry area here. All right, we've got mango and apple to eat. We'll eat that. It's 23:19 and we've arrived at Changsha. We just stopped. I'm looking for a socket to connect my laptop. Actually, yeah, we've got one here so that I can finish editing my videos. This is the station that we've stopped at. Okay. This is. You told me to get in, it'll get shut. It won't stop for long, actually. Alright, I'm ready. We'll be reaching in next few minutes. Finally, the capital of China, that's Beijing. And I must say, I had a really great time here, and it was a good decision to travel by train. The train is so clean, and the staff comes in every few hours to clean everything. So they maintain hygiene. I'm really impressed. And they've got CCTV everywhere in the train. So there's no chance of any theft or anything over here. Alright, I'm just cross-checking if I haven't left anything. Wow! I've arrived at Beijing. I've arrived at Beijing. Finally, the train journey comes to an end. This was the train. Let's get out of the station and look for a taxi to go to the hotel. So I'm just figuring out my way. We are here actually, Beijing West Railway Station. Let's go. This is the entrance for line 1. Ticket is there. Yeah.
确认购票信息，并选择支付方式。
I was entering at the wrong side. Sale and print. Got the ticket and the change. So it's 3-1. Okay, it's done. Let's go. Line 9, that's the entry. Okay, so we have to go towards the National Library. Just one stop from here and then we have to change the line to line 1. Oh, it's too crowded. I've been dropped at the wrong place actually. So this guy is helping me. We go in his bike. It's 1.7 kilometer more for us. The hotel is somewhere there. Actually, I took a taxi as it was 2 kilometers away from the metro station, and then the taxi man dropped me on the other side. The location was showing on the other side, so the gentleman helped me.
导个航，你扫错了。
Here?
我导个航，百度。
Oh, we've arrived. My God. Oh, we've got Starbucks, KFC, everything close by. Really kind of this gentleman. Thank you. Sheshe.
哎呦，这儿啊。
This one. Okay, thank you so much. The gentleman was really sweet, yeah. Otherwise, I would have taken hours to reach. Thank you. Hi. Hello. I had a reservation by the name of Priya. I finally checked inside the hotel. Somehow managed to reach this place. The location on Google Map showed somewhere else, and it was 2 kilometers away from that place. The gentleman was kind enough to help me. Thanks to him that I reached here. It took me almost 2 hours. I mean, to figure out from the time we got down from the train. But this is also like an experience. I quickly want to take a shower and get ready, then we go out. I also want to eat something. I'm sure there'll be a good restaurant here. I'll end my vlog here itself, guys. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and I shall see you in my next vlog.